Key features of federalism. There are two or more levels of government. India has three levels. Each level of government has its own jurisdiction in matters of legislation, taxation, and administration, even though they govern the same citizens. Powers and functions of each tier of government is specified and guaranteed by Constitution. The Supreme Court has been given power to settle disputes between federal governments. Fundamental provisions of Constitution cannot be altered by any one level of government. It applies to India also. Sources of revenue between different levels is specified by Constitution. There is mutual trust and agreement between the governments at different levels. The federal system has two aims: to protect and promote unity of the country, to adapt regional diversity. An ideal federal system has both aspects of mutual trust and an agreement to live together. There are two kinds of routes through which federations are formed. The first route, when independent states come together on their own to form a bigger unit to increase their security. This type of federation is called coming together federations. Here all the states are equally powerful and strong.
For example,
Switzerland, Australia, and USA. The second route. When a large country decides to distribute its power between the states and the national government, this type of federation is called holding together federations, where all states do not have equal powers. Some states enjoy special powers, and the central government tends to be more powerful than the states. For example, Spain, India, and Belgium.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.